Hi, today we're unboxing the Pocketalk S voice translator. What's included? A quick start guide, Pocketalk with an embedded SIM chip with a 2-year global data plan, a USB Type-C charger cable, and a charging block. The front has a large touchscreen and talk button. The right side has the power button and the volume control button. The left side has the SIM card slot. The back has a light and a text-to-translate camera. The bottom has a noise-canceling microphone and a charging port. The top are the speakers and another noise-canceling microphone. Pocketalk is a multi-sensory, two-way translation device. It's small and easily fits into the palm of your hand, pants, or jacket pocket. It comes in 3 stunning colors: white, black, and gold. Pocketalk is able to support over 80 different languages and is designed for conversations. So speak the way you normally do, in full sentences. Grâce à l'utilisation des meilleurs moteurs de traduction du monde entier, Pocketalk offre une expérience toujours précise en détectant des dialectes et des argots localisés.
Utilizing the best translation engines from around the world, Pocketalk provides a consistently accurate experience by picking up localized dialect and slang.
Let me show you how. On the home screen, choose your 2 languages. Tap on the language name to get a list of other languages to choose from. Once your 2 languages are chosen, choose the direction of the translation by tapping the arrow icon. Then, press and hold down the physical talk button the entire time you're speaking. When finished, let go of the button and a translation will be provided. Bonjour, comment ça va?
Hello, how are you?
Pocketalk makes conversation between 2 languages natural. Once you're finished your translation, tap the arrow button so the next speaker can speak without having to switch back to the home screen. Pocketalk works even in noisy conditions. The dual microphone has noise cancellation, which makes it useful in any setting, even noisy stadiums, medical facilities, classrooms, or in restaurants. Cleverly designed, the microphones are on both sides so you don't have to rotate your device to get clear translations. It supports Wi-Fi and also includes a 2-year data plan that provides coverage in over 130 countries. Whether you're working or traveling, you can confidently communicate with anyone when you need it most using Pocketalk. Another feature of Pocketalk is the text-to-translate camera. The camera translates text, the written word, and signs via proprietary SourceNext technology. In the menu, press the camera button. The device takes a photo, converts the image into text, and translates the text on top of the image. Conveniently, there's a built-in conversion calculator. It can compute exchanges for currency, length, width, and temperature. On the home screen, press the currency button. It can compute exchange for length, weight, or temperature. Let's use currency as an example. Tap on the currency name to get a list of other currency to choose from. Once your 2 currencies are chosen, simply type in the amount, and rest assured, the conversion rates are updated daily. For other conversions, simply repeat the same process. With a dedicated translation device, you can save power on your phone and use it when you really need to. Pocketalk has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery that's good for 144 hours of standby time or 4.5 hours of continuous translation. Even if your phone is out of power, your Pocketalk isn't. This all-in-one device translates over 80 languages and it has a text-to-translate camera as well as a built-in conversion calculator. Designed for communication, Pocketalk, found in translation.